we are going to look at a few building blocks for plane geometry. When two lines cross, opposite angles are equal, so x equals y. If opposite angles are equal, then in case number 1, across from the 45 is the a, so a must equal 45. In number 2, b must equal 120. In number 3, c must be 135. And in number 4, d must be 25. Opposite angles are equal when two lines intersect. X and y are supplementary angles. That means they're on a straight line and add up to 180. So this whole curve would be 180 degrees. Together, x and y make 180. So if two angles on a straight line must add up to 180, then with this one being 108, then what's left is 180, take away 108, or 72. This angle is 72 degrees. And in this case, these two angles add up to 180. So this angle will be 180 minus 114, or 66. This angle is 66. Last one for today are complementary angles. Complementary angles will add up to 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees, and x plus y equals 90 degrees. So if complementary angles add up to 90 degrees, then this 54 and whatever's here must add up to 90 degrees. So 90 minus 54 is 36. This angle is 36 degrees. In the second case, 55 and this angle must add up to 90 as well. So 90 minus 55 equals 35. So this angle is 35 degrees. And finally, together they make 90, and 90 minus 37 is 53. 53 degrees for the last angle. That's all for now. Take care. See you later.